Good morning, everyone. Forget everything you knew about audio recording. Today, we're diving into a revolutionary technology. Picture this. You just type, and your words come to life spoken in your own unique voice. Unbelievable? Not anymore. We're going to show you how to clone your voice in less than 2 minutes. So, what exactly is Fish Audio? It's your all-in-one AI voice studio. We're talking about a powerful platform that lets you do everything from cloning your voice to converting text into highly realistic speech. Today, our focus is on this incredible AI voice cloning feature, but Fish Audio offers so much more. From voice changers to speech to text, it's a complete ecosystem designed for all creators. The process is incredibly straightforward. First, you'll create a free account and get acquainted with the user-friendly interface. Then, head to the Voice Cloning tab. The most crucial step is uploading a good quality voice sample. We'll discuss best practices for this in a moment. Once uploaded, Fish Audio's advanced AI gets to work, crafting your digital voice. Finally, you can test it immediately using the text-to-speech function, experiencing your voice speaking any text you desire. Who benefits from Fish Audio? Everyone! From aspiring YouTubers to seasoned marketers, this platform opens up a world of possibilities. Imagine creating an entire audiobook without ever stepping into a studio, or producing video narrations for multiple languages with your own AI voice. It's perfect for those running faceless YouTube channels, developing games, creating online courses, or even just spicing up their social media content. The applications are truly endless. In conclusion, Fish Audio isn't just a tool. It's a game changer for anyone working with audio. It offers unparalleled realism in voice cloning, incredibly expressive text-to-speech, supports over 30 languages, and boasts a community of over 2 million voices. It drastically simplifies and enhances content creation. If you found this useful, please like this video, subscribe for more content, and leave a comment with your thoughts. And don't forget to check the Fish Audio link in the description to start your free journey today. We've talked about how easy it is to clone your voice. Now, let's dive deeper into what makes our technology truly stand out from the competition. It's not just about replication, it's about enhancement and versatility. Here's a quick comparison highlighting where Fish Audio truly shines. While traditional cloning offers basic replication, our AI goes several steps further. We integrate emotional intelligence and advanced customization to ensure your cloned voice isn't just a copy, but an enhanced, versatile tool. Beyond simple cloning, we offer a suite of advanced features. Imagine having your voice speak fluently in multiple languages, or being able to instantly generate content with specific emotional tones. Fish Audio provides unprecedented control and flexibility, all integrated through robust API capabilities. Thanks for watching. Subscribe so you don't miss anything.